Hello everyone, my name is Dr. Bushra Khan. I'm working as a specialist gynecologist in NMC Medical Center, Sharqan, Sharjah. I have more than 25 years of experience working in the specialty of gynae and obstetrics. And my area of specialty is working and dealing with high-risk pregnancies. Apart from that, able to conduct all kind of complicated gynecological as well as obstetric procedures. And I'm very keen to go further in the specialty of infertility. Today I'm here to discuss importance of cervical cancer screening. Many of the females die because of the cervical cancer, and the goal of the cervical screening and the most important thing as to why we have to do the cervical screening is to detect the precancerous conditions of the cervix and treat it in time before it goes on to become a cancer. In addition to that, if the females are diagnosed in the early stages of cancer, they can be treated and they can be cured. So that's why the emphasis of early detection and treatment plays an important role, and this is the main goals for the cervical screening. When we go for the cervical cancer screening programs, generally there are three methods. The first method is the pap smear, and in a scientific term we call it the cytological test. And if the facilities are not available for the pap smear test, the second is the human papilloma virus detection. And in some centers, both human papilloma virus detection and cervical cytology, that is the pap smear, is carried out. The most important question that is being asked is that when to start the screening among the females that are sexually active. The guidelines, according to the British guidelines, it should be started from the age of 25 years. From 25 years till the age of 49 years, the cervical screening should be carried out 3 yearly, and then from 50 to 64 years of age, it should be done 5 yearly. And from 65 plus years onwards, if there is any abnormality previously detected in the smears, or only this is the first time before they have never done any screening, then only it is carried out at the age of 65 also. There is a myth about the pap smear test, which is the main aspect of the cervical screening test, that there will be pain, it will be a long procedure, but in fact it is not like that. It is a simple procedure that is carried out in the outpatient department, and the whole procedure takes not more than 3 to 4 minutes. The most important thing is to take the patient into confidence and tell them about each and every step. There may be minor discomfort, but as such there is no pain. And the procedure hardly takes, as I said, 3 to 4 minutes. Once the pap smear is done, we send it to the laboratory, and the lab takes about, depending upon the facilities and the burden, it takes usually about 2 to 4 weeks for the result to come. If the patient is being called and she is informed to come so that we can explain and counsel the patient about the results. Test is normal. We just explain that it is normal, and the further follow-up after 3 years. And if there is any abnormality, then further treatment is carried on according to the report of the pap smear. The follow-up recommendations, as I've mentioned before, is that once the first smear is done, once the first pap smear is done and it is found to be normal, the patient is requested and she's being told to come after 3 years for the next smear, and accordingly this goes on. My take-home message for all the sexually active females is that to please regularly participate in this campaign, as it is the only screening method which will be able to detect any precancerous conditions and prevent it from further going on to the cancerous condition. In addition, God forbid, if the cancer is diagnosed and it is in early stages, it is treatable and it is curable. So the most important thing is to be please aware of this campaign and participate regularly in this campaign and pass on this message to the other members of your community and also your family members. I hope in this brief session I've been able to make you understand about the importance of cervical cancer screening program, and if you need any further assistance or any further knowledge about cervical cancer screening program, you're more than welcome to visit me. I'm Dr. Bushra Khan, the gynecologist specialist working at NMC Medical Center, Sharqan, Sharjah.